So I've heard rumors of this store. I don't like it because there's stuff all over the place. But what I'm told is they have bass fishing baits. So we're gonna go in, take a look around, see what we see what we find, see if we buy anything. Just hanging out. It's the first official father-daughter deer hunt of the year. The stand was 16 feet in the air, and she did great. So we're going home. Take your kids hunting. It's fun. Man, I won't do that again. That's how you learn. This place is a nightmare to me. I can't handle just stuff everywhere of every kind. But if I find a cool jerkbait, crankbait, it's a dog, then it might be worth it. But there is stuff absolutely everywhere, and nothing makes sense. If I was a fishing bait, where would I hide? I don't think with the gloves, but they got some nice gloves for pretty cheap. Just to have as like a backup in the car, in the truck. You need a faucet. Okay, I round the corner and I see some Zebco reels, and all of a sudden, they have Z-Man baits here. Are you kidding me right now? I hit the mother load, boys. Papa's gonna go to town. Let's see what they got. I'm gonna get in trouble. They got chatter baits from Z-Man. They got some Luckies. They got some Booyah. They've got 13 fishing. All on this little end cap here. Crazy. My wife is gonna kill me. I'm over here near the rugs. I'm about to go to town. So you gotta take your time because there's a lot here. We got Zoom, Live Target. I think this is the only Z-Man product they have in plastics, which is fine. It's not the end of the world. I didn't expect to see that here anyway. Got some power bait. So far, picking a little bit out, weeding through it all, just to get what really matters. All right, found a little more. We got some 80 pounds, way out of my league. 50, 65, no. They got some 8-pound braid here. Or Gary Yamamoto. $10. I don't know if the price is any better. But it's just cool seeing what they got. I didn't expect any of this stuff. Like they even have a for a bow. That's a cheap thumb release. I wouldn't trust that thing. So I just want to show you guys kind of my Ollie's haul here. I want to show you guys my Ollie's haul. Don't mind the boogie board. That's for me to catch some waves. Joking. Not bad. We got some Lucky Craft. I looked these up on Amazon. They were going for about $11 per. Some Z-Mans. And show you what we got. So I would have bought the whole thing. But my wife and I decided it's smarter to be better. So we ended up with 2 jerkbaits and 2 rattle trap-esque baits. I like stuff that catches the sun under the water. I really thought that was cool. I just like that reflection. So that's awesome. I'm really getting into these type jerkbaits. Just I like the colors. I like the 3 treble hooks, so that's cool. Doesn't tell what type color they are, but that's okay. Really nice. Got like a yellow underbelly and a green top side. Green, yellow, and white. That's really nice. This one's cool. Again, I like that. Any type of reflection or color, gold, yellow, anything like that, white, that'll catch that flicker under the water. It seems like I have really good luck with that. This one's kind of translucent. You can see the ball bearings inside. And then I went down to Bass Pro the other day to look for some Z-Man trailers, and they didn't have any. Well, guess what? Ollie's comes through for the win. And so I just picked up some trailers here. This is all they had was the Goat Watermelon Red. So that's what I picked up. But man, not a bad haul. And I could have gotten, I mean, I could have spent $100. I reframed. Wasn't a good idea. So we'll go back another time, pick up a few more. But at least I know that they actually have stuff. So I'm excited about that. Anyway, going to get out on the water, navigate the wild.